In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the login experience with Circle.so's two-factor authentication for 2025. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring that you're able to effectively manage and enhance your community security and branding experience. Let's begin by logging into your Circle.so admin account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to your community.circle. Once there, you'll need to enter your admin email and password to access the admin dashboard. With access to your admin account, head over to the community settings. This is where most of the customization options are housed. Look to the sidebar and find the authentication tab. Selecting this option will allow you to manage your security settings, which is crucial in ensuring the safety and integrity of your community. Once inside the settings, look for your profile photo at the top corner of the window. Clicking on it will present options. Select Settings, followed by Community Settings. Scrolling through these settings, locate the Security section where you should see the two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. If 2FA isn't already enabled for your community, this is where you can toggle it on. Enabling 2FA will prompt users to either scan a provided QR code or pair with an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, enhancing security through an additional layer of verification. Now let's make your login page distinctive by customizing it. Navigate to Settings, then to Branding, and finally the login page. Here you can upload your custom logo, providing a cohesive identity. You can further personalize the space by changing the background color or setting an image that resonates with your brand. Don't forget to craft a welcoming message or custom text that greets your users every time they want to log in. To add an extra touch of professionalism, head back to Settings, proceed to Custom Code, and choose either the header or footer scripts. This is where a short HTML note can be added. A simple suggestion is to include, use your authenticator app to complete secure login. Such notes guide your members smoothly through the login process. To finalize, it's always essential to test the changes yourself. Log out of your admin account and revisit your community's login page. Check to see if your branding updates and 2FA prompts appear correctly on the page. As a final step, try logging back in using the two-factor authentication to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Lastly, make sure to inform all community members about this enhanced 2FA setup and the new login experience. This can be done effectively through a post update within Circle.so or via sending an email to all members, ensuring they are aware of the new security measures